My name is Eddie Neri. I'm a senior here at UNC-Chapel Hill, and I'm studying biomedical engineering. So the Helping Hands Project is a community. We are here at UNC, but not only at UNC, we're also part of the nonprofit of the Helping Hands Project with chapters at NC State, Durham Tech, UNC-Charlotte, amongst other up-and-coming new universities that are joining in. And our goal is to make free prosthetic hands for kids. The Helping Hand Project is growing and it's fantastic. A couple years ago, we were only here at UNC and NC State. Now there's 4 different chapters, a couple more coming and going. And the best part about it is that we're reaching out to more people. People are seeing what this technology of 3D printing can do, how it can be used to help others, and how it can be used so that kids no longer have to rely on the $1,000 prosthetics, but can instead get these fun, cheap, free, for us free, but if they want to make their own cheap prosthetics that it doesn't matter if it breaks, like you can just print out a new one. And one of the biggest things that I'm hopeful for as I'm seeing this expansion within the United States is that one day this would carry over to my home country of Mexico, where the 3D printing technology is unheard of. I went there last summer to shadow an orthopedic surgeon, and he had many cases, and he told me, yeah, like if you could send me like a thumb case, it would be incredibly helpful. Like these people I'm working with cannot afford these prosthetics. It's impossible. All we need is a little thing for the thumb so that because they have 4 fingers, they just need a little bit more so they can grip, and that restores like 60% of their functional use in everyday life. Seeing this expansion in the United States makes me hopeful that it will carry over to countries where this is not available and they could really use to help those in poverty with limb differences to get that normalcy that they could never get otherwise. The reason I chose Carolina was because of the community. My professor, Mr. Potter, back at Enloe, he told me about when I was trying to decide between schools. He's like, go to UNC. Like you would really thrive there because you and the Carolina community get along. You're people that help each other and just want everybody to grow and learn. And it's a community of people that are creative and think, and they're not looking out to trip each other up. They're looking to push each other forward and make the best things possible. And that's why innovation here at Carolina is fantastic, and why the Helping Hands Project has been able to expand from a senior design project from the biomedical engineering department to something that's got 4 chapters and is coming up to new chapters in other states.